We've been in a sideways range for a long time. We have some really cool stuff that we're going to be doing going forward here in the next couple of months, where you're going to actually get the opportunity to see Welcome to BitSquad Crypto. My name is Ben. Today, I'm coming to you live from midair. Now, I'm actually here at the Seattle Space Needle here for the All-Star Game, as a lot of you guys know. Got Seattle behind us. You guys can see the stadiums, which should be way out there. There's a stadium. Excited for the game tonight. But I want to talk to you guys about what's going on with Bitcoin right now, because this is the tightest range that Bitcoin has traded in a long time. Now, here's the thing, guys. When you see Bitcoin in a very tight range, what does that mean? That means there has been a lack of belief in the price going down or up. There's a stability where people are not trading as much right now, because if the volume were higher and people were trading these moves, it would propel the moves to go further down or further up. So what we're seeing is a very tight range where the bears and the bulls are kind of tied right now. Nobody is at a place where they're actually winning the battle, so to speak. And here at the Seattle Space Needle, I know you guys can tell, but I'm actually moving. I'm sitting still, but I'm moving. You guys see, slowly moving, and that's kind of how it feels like Bitcoin is, right? It's just prodding along, going very at its own speed, and we haven't seen it break up or break out in quite a while. Right now, we're at a place where when you have Bitcoin that will make like $1,000 move, people are acting like that is the bull market or that is the bear market, depending on the movement. So one of the things about being in a tight range is it's so hard to trade. Why? Because if you're trading on leverage, then you're just not getting the bang for your buck. What you want is you want to be living in a place where you can make 9 out of 10 bad trades. 9 out of 10 bad trades. But on your one trade that you get right, the move is so explosive that you don't not only make up all the money that you lost from those other trades, but you actually profit greatly, because you may be able to 10x your money in one trade. Like even if you're in 5 or 6x leverage, like if you look at some of the moves that occurred in the last bull market, like for instance, when you had Bitcoin going from, it went from 42K down to 29K, back up to 38K, like in just a couple of days, you're really able to maximize your gains. And so, you guys know our trading partner we're using pretty exclusively right now is BitGet. We got a new deal with BitGet. If you guys want to sign up, we have a link down below in the description. And you're going to want to do this. You're going to want to sign up for BitGet. And here's the reason why. We're about to get back to much more active trading on the channel. We've been in a sideways range for a long time. We have some really cool stuff that we're going to be doing going forward here in the next couple of months, where you're going to actually get the opportunity to see if trading works based on indicators. So that's all I'm going to say right now. But we're working a massive plan to go back to a lot of active trading on the channel, on the live stream, on videos. And we're going to have a way where you're going to be able to follow along and track and see if these things are profitable. Guys, you know, I don't spend all day on the charts. I just don't have time to do that. I'm not that obsessed with trading. I've gone through phases where I was, for sure. Because really to do it successfully, you got to watch constantly. But we're going to be showing you guys some ways that you can test these indicators to find out if they work before you actually buy them. And so we're going to have a lot of these indicators available for you guys as well. But look, if there's an indicator that sucks over a 1 month period, you're going to see that it sucks and you're going to know not to buy it. And you're going to get to see the way that a normal person that's not an active every single moment of my life trader is able to use these indicators and be successful. So make sure we'll put a couple of the indicators that we'll be testing out down below, Market Cipher, Lux Algo. We'll put some in the description below, so you guys can go check those out. But we're gonna demonstrate whether they work or not from just a normal person's perspective. So you're not going to have to know a ton about trading to be able to actively use these and follow along what we're going to be doing on the channel. So like I said, make sure to check the indicators out down below. Also, make sure to check out the BitGet description. We got a new promo for you guys with BitGet if you want to sign up. And you guys know, like, you know, a lot of places out there, they have certain rules and restrictions for who is allowed and who is not allowed to trade. Kind of like our partner Stake has different restrictions on who can and cannot play on Stake, play games with crypto. By the way, thank you to our sponsor Stake, #1 sponsor on the channel. If you guys want to get more information on them, you can go to bitboycrypto.com/stake, and you can sign up based on where you live, and you can trade with crypto. Or you can play games with crypto. Pretty fun stuff. Crypto's not just for trading; we play games as well. We love Stake. Very exciting. By the way, I tried to bet on Vladimir Guerrero on Stake to win the home run derby. They didn't have the home run derby odds. I'm very disappointed by that. So we are going to be taking the National League tonight in the All-Star game. They never win the All-Star game, but I feel like Acuna is going to lead in the Braves. This is the Braves light, right? I think we got 6-7 players in the All-Star game tonight, so super excited about that. Had some that turned it down. Spencer Strider, he should be starting the game, but whatever. I digress. So anyways, back to this. You want to sign up for BitGet? We got a new special promo down below. The description will pop the banner up so you guys can see what that promo is. You guys are going to want to sign up. You're going to want to follow along. You know, always try to use a VPN for privacy when you're trading. That'll help you guys out with a lot of the sign-up issues, if you have sign-up issues. And you know what? You don't have to use BitGet. We have other sites as well you can use. We have a Bybit referral link we can pop down below. We've had some issues with Bybit in the last few days, if you didn't know, but hopefully we're going to get all that straightened out. I guess Frankie's got BingX as another exchange you can use as well. We'll get an affiliate link, Frankie's affiliate link down there for that as well. You're going to want to sign up for as many of these trading sites as possible because we're going to be showing you guys, like I said, whether or not you can be successful trading. You're going to want to follow along. You can also paper trade on a lot of these, so you don't have to actually put money in. Yeah, we're going to go back to a big focus on trading on the channel here in the next, you know, from here on out, really. We're going to make this a video every single week. We're going to debut we're going to go over our results, and we're going to keep it real with you guys. We're going to show you when we win, show you when we lose, and we're going to be doing it based on indicators. This isn't going to be based off of some kind of like super trading skill that I have. It's just going to be based on what works and what doesn't work in the world of indicators. So make sure to check that out. And that's all I got. Be blessed. Bye-bye.